Here's Teddy hiccuping.
And also this weekend, the 57th Street Art Fair is happening. And I want to tell you about a very special event happening tomorrow at the Kendall County Fairgrounds. We have George Wynn's cousin Steve here, and he is going to tell us about
Can we see your little lady fingers?
the Green Ribbon Rally. What is it?
Little lady fingers.
This is our 6th year, and it's a bike rally and a classic car show. We should have about 200 classic cars out.